Today we are reviewing the Huion HS611 drawing tablet. If you don't know me, my name is Shy Fox. I am a freelance digital artist and I've used lots of different drawing tablets over the years, and I was curious to give this one a try as well. Now, Huion is a tablet brand I often recommend to people when they ask me what drawing tablets to buy. I find them good quality for the price. Now, this tablet's more higher end. It has a lot more features compared to some of Huion's more basic screenless drawing tablets. You can check it out here on Amazon. It goes for 80 USD, and just ignore the fact that it says shipping to Canada. That's where I'm from. Also, I'll link the product info in the description below for the tablet. I want to let you know that I'm also doing a giveaway of this here tablet, so if you would like to possibly win it, check out the details at the end of the video. It's pretty awesome that we get to give this away, so to help me out and support this kind of thing that we do, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks. So let's dive into what's in the box. We have the drawing tablet, the pen holder, and this comes with extra nibs inside in case you need to replace them. You would just have to open it up like that. We got the USB cable, the USB-C adapter. The tablet is not only compatible with Windows and Mac, but also with Android 6.0 or later using this. We also got a thank you card, the manual, and some info about downloading some drivers. This drawing tablet appealed to me because you can pair it with a phone. I thought that was really cool, and it's also great that we can know that it works with Windows and Mac. Let's get into talking about some of the specs as well. Now, this tablet is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Android, more specifically Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.12, and Android 6.0 or later. It's important to note that iOS is currently not supported. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is excellent. It supports 60 degrees of tilt for your pen. The pen doesn't need to be charged. It comes battery free. Hooray! Battery free. The drawing area is 10 inches by 6 inches, a good size for drawing space, as well as small enough for portability, but not too small. I quite like the speckle aesthetic to it. It also comes in a bright coral red and a space gray color. It has 10 customizable shortcut keys on the side, which are good for things like setting them to undo or changing the brush size. There's also options at the top right of the screen for more control over your device, like controlling your media volume, like mute, volume down, volume up, play and pause, previous, next, back to desktop, and software switch. There is one customizable touch strip at the top. You can use this for things like zooming in and out, for example. There are also two programmable press keys on the side of the pen. This is great for things like switching between the eraser tool and back. If you look closely, the drawing area of the tablet has a grid of dots. This specifies exactly where your drawing area is for more accurate work. This tablet works with popular apps like Photoshop, Paint Tool SI, Clip Studio Paint, Illustrator, Sketchbook Pro, and Medibang Paint Pro. There's a slight texture to the drawing tablet surface. This one's designed to be non-slip and like a paper texture. I feel like it does a pretty good job of having that texture. I find the pen very stable and comparably good to others that I've used. This is not a touch screen. You'll pay a lot more for a touch screen. I find it to be lag free. I don't notice any lag when connected to the computer and seeing that line show up on the computer. The sensitivity is also good. I can press lighter for thinner lines and harder for thicker lines. It's important to know that you can only draw on a smaller section of the tablet when plugged in with an Android device. You can't use some of the fancy buttons on the tablet as those aren't meant for Android, but the tablet itself you can use. If you're exclusively using your tablet with an Android device, I'd strongly consider getting something like the Huion HS611, as this has less fancy buttons. You wouldn't need them anyway since those don't work, but the tablet itself would work. Those are on Amazon for about 40 USD as well. Links in the description for that too. Overall, this is a really great starter tablet, great for somebody who's just starting out, or if you want to upgrade from some of the previous models of Huion, and so you don't have to do things like charge your pen. It is also great value for the price. I'll be doing the giveaway for this tablet starting now up until November 30th, 2020. You can find the link to that giveaway in the description and get yourself chances to win. There's two ways, one through Twitch and one through Twitter. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can catch me live streaming my artwork over at twitch.tv/shyfox. You can also see my artwork on my Instagram at shyfox.art. I also make a variety of videos here on YouTube, mainly art tutorials, so be sure to check those out as well. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!